Alright, it's October the 10th, hurricane. We're in back near our safe zone, but this is what's, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That palm tree. This has been going on forever. I can't believe how long it's going on. Whew. Look at that, man. It's gonna go.
I'm gonna be so sad. I love that palm tree.
Look at this shit.
Oh my god, what is that?
It's siding from somebody's house down the way. Oh man. Look at our fence, Christy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. The fence?
I mean, dude, it is humming out there. Humming.
Did you see the fence, Cash? Up there? Oh.
Well, that piece is hanging on by a thread.
Holy shit.
I mean, it sounds like a train. It really sounds like a train. Oh. Just calm down, Michael. Go home. Is it stuck where it is?
What?
The palm tree. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm done, fellas, girls. I'm good.
Holy shit.